NLN NEX Ratios Practice. Question 1. During NLN NEX Ratios Practice, which value equals 12 divided by 3? Option A 3. Option B 4. Option C 9. Option D 36. The correct answer is option B. 4. 12 divided by 3 equals 4. 3 is the divisor, 9 is subtraction, and 36 is multiplication. Division asks how many equal groups fit into the total. Question 2. For NLN NEX Ratios Practice, which body system includes the brain and spinal cord? Option A digestive. Option B skeletal. Option C urinary. Option D nervous. The correct answer is option D. Nervous. The nervous system includes the brain, spinal cord, and nerves. The digestive system processes food, the skeletal system supports the body, and the urinary system removes liquid waste. Brain and spinal cord identify nervous tissue. Question 3. In NLN NEX Ratios Practice, which sentence is grammatically correct? Option A. The nurse was prepared. Option B. The nurse be prepared. Option C. The nurses was prepared. Option D. The nurse were prepared. The correct answer is option A. The nurse was prepared. The singular subject nurse agrees with the singular verb was. Nurses was and nurse were mismatch number, and nurse be is not standard in this sentence. Subject-verb agreement is the tested skill. Question 4. On NLN NEX Ratios Practice, which fraction equals 50%? Option A 3/4. Option B 1/2. Option C 1/3. Option D 1/4. The correct answer is option B. 1/2. 50% means 50 out of 100, which simplifies to 1/2. 1/3 is about 33%, 1/4 is 25%, and 3/4 is 75%. Percent and fraction conversions are common math items. Question 5. Before NLN NEX Ratios Practice, which conclusion should come from a reading passage? Option A. 1 supported by details. Option B. 1 based on outside rumors. Option C. 1 chosen by length. Option D. 1 ignoring the title. The correct answer is option A. 1 supported by details. A strong conclusion must be supported by passage details. Outside rumors and answer length are unreliable. Ignoring helpful text features can also lead to a weak answer. Question 6. After NLN NEX Ratios Practice, which organ exchanges oxygen and carbon dioxide? Option A kidneys. Option B stomach. Option C liver. Option D lungs. The correct answer is option D. Lungs. The lungs exchange oxygen and carbon dioxide through the alveoli. Kidneys filter blood, the stomach digests food, and the liver processes substances. Gas exchange is a respiratory function. Question 7. While NLN NEX Ratios Practice, which number is 20% of 60? Option A 30. Option B 40. Option C 12. Option D 20. The correct answer is option C. 12. 20% of 60 is 12 because 0.20 times 60 equals 12. Option B repeats the percent number, option C is half, and option D is 2/3. Converting to a decimal helps solve quickly. Question 8. Given NLN NEX Ratios Practice, which word best completes she blank the dosage carefully? Option A have checked. Option B checked. Option C checking. Option D check. The correct answer is option B, checked. Checked correctly completes the sentence in simple past tense. Checking lacks a helping verb, check does not agree with she in present tense, and have checked does not match the singular subject. The sentence needs a clear finite verb. Question 9. When NLN NEX Ratios Practice, which science term means maintaining stable internal conditions? Option A, homeostasis. Option B, osmosis. Option C, erosion. Option D, condensation. The correct answer is option A, homeostasis. Homeostasis means maintaining stable internal conditions. Osmosis is water movement across a membrane, erosion moves earth materials, and condensation is a phase change. Stability inside the body is the clue. Question 10. If NLN NEX Ratios Practice, which ratio is equivalent to 3:6? Option A, 2:1. Option B, 3:2. Option C, 6:3. Option D, 1:2. The correct answer is option D, 1:2. The ratio 3:6 simplifies by dividing both parts by 3, giving 1:2. The other choices reverse or change the relationship. Equivalent ratios preserve the same comparison. Question 11. During NLN NEX Ratios Practice, which sentence states a main idea? Option A. The third line has a comma. Option B. The paragraph is long. Option C. The passage explains why sleep supports learning. Option D. The word appears twice. The correct answer is option C. The passage explains why sleep supports learning. The first choice summarizes the central point of a passage. The other choices focus on small details or formatting. Main ideas are broader than individual features. Question 12. For NLN NEX Ratios Practice, which cell structure contains genetic material? Option A, vacuole. Option B, nucleus. Option C, cell membrane. Option D, ribosome. The correct answer is option B, nucleus. The nucleus contains genetic material in eukaryotic cells. The cell membrane controls entry and exit, ribosomes make proteins, and vacuoles store materials. DNA location is the key clue. Question 13. In NLN NEX Ratios Practice, which decimal equals 1/4? Option A, 0.25. Option B, 0.14. Option C, 0.4. Option D, 1.4. The correct answer is option A, 0.25. 1/4 equals 0.25 because 1 divided by 4 is 0.25. 0.14 simply uses the digits, 0.4 equals 2/5, and 1.4 is greater than 1. Fraction decimal conversion is a common nursing entrance skill. Question 14. On NLN NEX Ratios Practice, which word is opposite of expand? Option A, increase. Option B, enlarge. Option C, extend. Option D, contract. The correct answer is option D, contract. Contract means to become smaller and is the opposite of expand. Increase, enlarge, and extend are closer to making something larger or longer. Antonym questions require the opposite meaning. Question 15. Before NLN NEX Ratios Practice, which system transports blood? Option A, endocrine. Option B, integumentary. Option C, cardiovascular. Option D, respiratory. The correct answer is option C, cardiovascular. The cardiovascular system transports blood through the heart and vessels. The respiratory system exchanges gases, endocrine glands produce hormones, and the integumentary system includes skin. Blood transport is cardiovascular. Question 16. After NLN NEX Ratios Practice, which value solves x plus 5 equals 14? Option A, 70. Option B, 9. Option C, 14. Option D, 19. The correct answer is option B, 9. Subtracting 5 from both sides gives x equals 9. 14 is the total before isolating x, 19 adds instead of subtracting, and 70 multiplies unrelated numbers. Inverse operations are used to solve equations. Question 17. While NLN NEX Ratios Practice, which detail best defines tone? Option A. The author's attitude. Option B. The page count. Option C. The answer letter. Option D. The publication date only. The correct answer is option A. The author's attitude. Tone is the author's attitude toward the topic or audience. Page count and answer letters are not tone, and publication date alone does not show attitude. Word choice usually reveals tone. Question 18. Given NLN NEX Ratios Practice, which organ filters blood and forms urine? Option A. Heart. Option B. Lung. Option C. Spleen. Option D. Kidney. The correct answer is option D. Kidney. The kidney filters blood and forms urine. The heart pumps blood, the lung exchanges gases, and the spleen helps with immune and blood functions. Filtration and urine identify the kidney. Question 19. When NLN NEX Ratios Practice, which percent equals 0.6? Option A 0.6%. Option B 600%. Option C 60%. Option D 6%. The correct answer is option C. 60%. Multiplying 0.6 by 100 gives 60%. 6% would be 0.06, and 0.6% would be 0.006. 600% is much larger than the original decimal. Question 20. If NLN NEX Ratios Practice, which word means to reduce? Option A ignore. Option B decrease. Option C create. Option D attach. The correct answer is option B. Decrease. Decrease means to reduce or make smaller. Create means make, attach means connect, and ignore means pay no attention. The meaning clue is reduce. Question 21. During NLN NEX Ratios Practice, which metric unit measures mass? Option A gram. Option B liter. Option C meter. Option D second. The correct answer is option A. Gram. A gram measures mass. A liter measures volume, a meter measures length, and a second measures time. Nursing math often requires matching units correctly. Question 22. For NLN NEX Ratios Practice, which part of speech describes a noun? Option A verb. Option B preposition. Option C conjunction. Option D adjective. The correct answer is option D. Adjective. An adjective describes a noun by telling what kind, which one, or how many. Verbs show action or state, prepositions show relationships, and conjunctions connect words or clauses. Description of a noun identifies an adjective. Question 23. In NLN NEX Ratios Practice, which blood cells help fight infection? Option A platelets. Option B plasma only. Option C white blood cells. Option D red blood cells. The correct answer is option C. White blood cells. White blood cells help defend the body against infection. Red blood cells carry oxygen, platelets help clotting, and plasma is the liquid portion of blood. Infection defense points to white blood cells. Question 24. On NLN NEX Ratios Practice, which number is the product of 8 and 7? Option A 87. Option B 56. Option C 15. Option D 1. The correct answer is option B. 56. Product means the result of multiplication, so 8 times 7 equals 56. 15 is the sum, 1 is the difference if subtracting 7 from 8, and 87 joins digits. Math vocabulary matters. Question 25. Before NLN NEX Ratios Practice, which word best completes the patient and the nurse blank ready? Option A are. Option B is. Option C was. Option D be. The correct answer is option A, are. A compound subject joined by and usually takes the plural verb are. Is and was are singular forms, and be does not fit standard agreement here. The two-person subject is plural. Question 26. After NLN NEX Ratios Practice, which body system breaks down food? Option A nervous. Option B skeletal. Option C urinary. Option D digestive. The correct answer is option D, digestive. The digestive system breaks down food and absorbs nutrients. The nervous system sends signals, skeletal system supports the body, and urinary system removes liquid waste. Food breakdown is digestion. Question 27. While NLN NEX Ratios Practice, which fraction is larger than 1/2? Option A 2/5. Option B 3/8. Option C 3/4. Option D 1/4. The correct answer is option C, 3/4. 3/4 equals 0.75, which is larger than 0.5. 1/4, 2/5, and 3/8 are all less than 1/2. Comparing fractions is easier with decimals or common denominators. Question 28. Given NLN NEX Ratios Practice, which word means careful and exact? Option A careless. Option B precise. Option C vague. Option D random. The correct answer is option B, precise. Precise means careful and exact. Vague means unclear, random means without pattern, and careless means not careful. The clue uses nearly the same definition as precise. Question 29. When NLN NEX Ratios Practice, which organ produces bile? Option A liver. Option B pancreas. Option C lung. Option D bladder. The correct answer is option A, liver. The liver produces bile, which helps with fat digestion. The pancreas makes enzymes and hormones, lungs exchange gases, and the bladder stores urine. Bile production identifies the liver. Question 30. If NLN NEX Ratios Practice, which number is 1.5 plus 2.25? Option A 2.40. Option B 3.25. Option C 4.75. Option D 3.75. The correct answer is option D, 3.75. Adding 1.50 and 2.25 gives 3.75. Option B is too low, option C misses 5/10, and option D is 1 too high. Aligning decimal places prevents errors. Question 31. During NLN NEX Ratios Practice, which reading strategy helps locate a detail quickly? Option A ignore headings. Option B read only choices. Option C scan for keywords. Option D memorize every word. The correct answer is option C, scan for keywords. Scanning for keywords helps find specific details quickly. Memorizing every word is inefficient, ignoring headings removes useful clues, and reading only choices may miss the passage evidence. Details require targeted reading.
Question 32. For Get Prep 2026, which number is 7 less than 20? Option A 140. Option B 13. Option C 17. Option D 27.
The correct answer is option B, osmosis.
7 less than 20 means 27 equals 13. 17 subtracts only 3, 27 adds 7 and 140 multiplies. The phrase less than signals subtraction. Question 33. In GED Prep 2026, which weathering process breaks rocks by freezing water? Option A, ice wedging. Option B, photosynthesis. Option C, evaporation. Option D, pollination.
The correct answer is option A. 60%.
Ice wedging happens when water freezes, expands, and cracks rock. Photosynthesis makes glucose, evaporation changes liquid to gas, and pollination helps plants reproduce. Freezing water is the key clue. Question 34. On GED Prep 2026, which government system lets citizens vote for representatives? Option A, absolute monarchy. Option B, dictatorship. Option C, oligarchy. Option D, representative democracy. The correct answer is option D. Representative democracy. A representative democracy lets citizens choose people to make decisions for them. An absolute monarchy concentrates power in a monarch, dictatorship in one ruler, and oligarchy in a small group. Voting for representatives defines the system. Question 35. Before GED Prep 2026, which word best replaces very big? Option A, weak. Option B, brief. Option C, enormous. Option D, tiny.
The correct answer is option C. Ligament.
Enormous means very big. Tiny is the opposite, weak refers to strength, and brief refers to length or time. Strong vocabulary improves RLA precision. Question 36. After GED Prep 2026, which unit measures volume? Option A, degree. Option B, liter. Option C, meter. Option D, gram.
The correct answer is option B. 47.
A liter measures volume or capacity. A meter measures length, a gram measures mass, and a degree measures angle or temperature depending on context. The volume clue points to liter. Question 37. While GED Prep 2026, which value equals 3x when x equals 7? Option A, 10. Option B, 21. Option C, 37. Option D, 73.
The correct answer is option A. After the review, she took a practice test.
Substituting 7 for x gives 3 times 7 equals 21. Option A adds 3 and 7, while option C and D place digits together instead of multiplying. Algebra questions often require direct substitution. Question 38. Given GED Prep 2026, how should 0.25 be written as a fraction? Option A, 1/2. Option B, 2/5. Option C, 25/10. Option D, 1/4.
The correct answer is option D. Insulin.
0.25 equals 25/100, which simplifies to 1/4. 1/2 equals 0.5, 2/5 equals 0.4, and 25/10 equals 2.5. Simplifying decimals into fractions is a common GED skill. Question 39. When GED Prep 2026, which GED subject focuses most on interpreting experiments and data? Option A, RLA. Option B, geometry. Option C, science. Option D, social studies.
The correct answer is option C. 16.
GED science emphasizes scientific reasoning, data, and experiment interpretation. Social studies uses historical and civic sources, RLA focuses reading and writing, and geometry is part of math. The clue is experiments and data. Question 40. If GED Prep 2026, which source would best support a historical claim? Option A, advertisement slogan. Option B, primary document. Option C, random comment. Option D, cartoon only. The correct answer is option B. Primary document. A primary document provides direct evidence from the time or event being studied. A random comment is weak evidence, a cartoon may show opinion, and an advertisement slogan is persuasive rather than neutral. Strong historical answers rely on reliable sources. Question 41. During GED Prep 2026, which sentence is complete? Option A. Although the graph changed. Option B. The author explains the evidence. Option C. Because the test began. Option D. After the answer. The correct answer is option B. The author explains the evidence. The author explains the evidence has a subject and a complete verb idea. The other choices are fragments because they begin dependent ideas or lack a full predicate. GED RLA often tests complete sentence structure. Question 42. For GED Prep 2026, which number is the median of 2, 5, 9, 10, 14? Option A 9. Option B 10. Option C 14. Option D 5.
The correct answer is option D. 5.
The median is the middle value when numbers are ordered, which is 9. 5 and 10 are adjacent but not in the middle. 14 is the greatest value, not the median. Question 43. In GED Prep 2026, which graph is best for showing change over time? Option A map. Option B Venn diagram. Option C line graph. Option D pie chart.
The correct answer is option C. Help.
A line graph is best for trends over time because it shows continuous change. A pie chart shows parts of a whole, a map shows location, and a Venn diagram compares sets. Time trend is the key clue. Question 44. On GED Prep 2026, which operation undoes multiplication by 5? Option A multiply by 10. Option B divide by 5. Option C add 5. Option D subtract 5.
The correct answer is option B. Endocrine.
Division is the inverse of multiplication, so dividing by 5 undoes multiplying by 5. Adding or subtracting changes the value in a different way. Multiplying by 10 increases the effect rather than reversing it. Question 45. Before GED Prep 2026, which word best describes a claim supported by evidence? Option A argument. Option B fragment. Option C decimal. Option D variable.
The correct answer is option A. 9.
An argument in reading and writing is a claim supported by reasons and evidence. A fragment is an incomplete sentence, a decimal is a number form, and a variable represents an unknown. Evidence points to argument structure. Question 46. After GED Prep 2026, which branch of government makes laws in the United States? Option A executive. Option B judicial. Option C military. Option D legislative.
The correct answer is option D. A logical conclusion from evidence.
The legislative branch makes laws. The executive branch enforces laws, and the judicial branch interprets laws. The military is not one of the three lawmaking branches. Question 47. While GED Prep 2026, which formula finds the area of a rectangle? Option A base times height divided by 2. Option B pi r superscript 2. Option C length times width. Option D 2 times length plus width.
The correct answer is option C. Bladder.
The area of a rectangle is length multiplied by width. The second choice is not the perimeter formula as written, the third is triangle area, and pi r superscript 2 is circle area. Matching shapes to formulas is essential. Question 48. Given GED Prep 2026, which conclusion is strongest after reading a data table? Option A. 1. Ignoring units. Option B. 1. Supported by the numbers. Option C. 1. Based on a guess. Option D. 1. Using no labels. The correct answer is option B. 1. Supported by the numbers. A strong conclusion must be supported by the numbers in the table. Guessing, ignoring labels, or ignoring units can lead to wrong interpretations. GED data questions reward evidence-based reasoning. Question 49. When GED Prep 2026, which sentence uses correct subject-verb agreement? Option A. The students is ready. Option B. The student are ready. Option C. The students are ready. Option D. The student be ready. The correct answer is option C. The students are ready. The plural subject students needs the plural verb are. The students is and the student are mismatch subject and verb number. The student be is not standard grammar in this sentence. Question 50. If GED Prep 2026, which decimal equals 3/10? Option A 0.3. Option B 3.0. Option C 30.0. Option D 0.03.
The correct answer is option D. Necessary.
3/10 is written as 0.3. 0.03 is 3/100ths, while 3.0 equals 3 whole units. 30 is far too large.